train that goes through here. This is my first time seeing the tracks. We'll be following it for a while. Well, I'm trying to find a certain paddock to pick up sheep at next, and after crossing 2 spots where there should have been a road, nothing. Couldn't find it, so take the long way around, and we are in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing out here. Not a soul. Except these two. Well, the rest of that road was unlike any driving I'd ever done before, and I did it in a truck too. I wish I got on camera, but after messing up a bunch, I didn't want to waste the time. But anyway, somewhere along the road, we caught a tree. Look at that. Takes up the entire front part of this truck. Wild. Everything is a highway here. Just rocking through the bush. Dude, it's crazy. Look at that vertical. Ruh-roh. Got ourselves a dust devil. Look at it go. Wow, this is the closest I've been to a tornado before. That's so cool. Oh, the fence break it up? No. It continues on. I just find it surreal. There's nothing out here. Just endless scrub. Well, there's the first time for everything, I suppose. It took a few weeks, but I finally had something fall off the side of my truck. I didn't realize it until I was pretty far down and had to find a place to turn around. And this is all, yeah, this is my second time driving through it. Not fun. And I think I'm gonna have to go up even further to find a place to turn around there. So I just gotta pick this up and walk. It's pretty light. It's just when the wind catches the side, it blows you like a sail. But yeah, the strap came undone and everything. Look at that. Snapped right up. Got me a little co-pilot today. Hi, buddy. Pretty far away from the rest of the sheep, so I'm just gonna bring her there. Got a toilet in the middle of nowhere. Time for a little fun fact about the outback. See that pointy thing way up there? That's an Aborigine marker. Could be the Aborigines, could also just be someone who was plotting the land, surveyor's point or something. But the Aborigines did build such structures to mark off different territories, as well as the zones where only girls were allowed and zones where only boys were allowed.